currently right now, one of the best examples that is supposed to sort of show how this push-pull between the government and the commercial will actually flow is with the retirement of the International Space Station, which I think most people know this is happening, but it's been flying since the 90s. It's old, it's outdated, it's time to retire. And in the mix of that, what NASA wanted to do is, instead of themselves designing and developing and sort of running a space station, they put out bids to allow commercial companies to compete to replace the International Space Station. But the model is really interesting because those commercial companies would then it'd be a privately owned space station. NASA would become one of many customers. So the goal is for them to move all of their research and development and manufacturing currently being done on the ISS to these private models, to then allow them to still continue the vital research and all the things that they need to do, but then also give the opportunity to universities and commercial companies and other private players to have access to low Earth orbit for their needs. And so it's one of the first examples of how this flywheel could accelerate and how we can start to really bring in more users beyond a government. But right now, they are privately owned, but the government is still an anchor customer is kind of the way to look at it.